Under the radiant sun, Bethany village awakens with a palpable sense of anticipation as Jesus arrives, his disciples in tow. The name Lazarus echoes through the narrow streets, painting a portrait of sorrow and remembrance among the villagers. His face etched with compassion, Jesus surveys the crowd, his gaze a balm on their grieving hearts. With tender resolve, Jesus approaches a villager, his voice soft with empathy. In a moment of quiet inquiry, Jesus asks, "Can you direct us to the home of Mary and Martha?" The air hangs heavy with grief within the home, filled with hushed whispers and tearful faces. Martha's ears perk up at a distant sound, a flicker of hope igniting in her eyes. Hope surges as Martha recognizes the approaching figure of Jesus. Without a word, Martha rises, a silent promise of reunion driving her forward. She rushes out of the house, her heart pounding with anticipation. Mary remains behind, still lost in her sorrow, oblivious to the approaching miracle. A stone tomb stands silent, sealed by a massive rock. As a somber crowd gathers, their faces etched with sorrow and curiosity, Jesus stands before the tomb, his eyes brimming with tears, a poignant display of grief. With unwavering resolve, Jesus commands, "Roll away the stone." Martha's voice rises, filled with doubt and caution. "Lord, by now there will be a stench. He has been dead for 4 days." Jesus responds, his voice firm yet gentle. "Did I not tell you that if you believe, you will see the glory of God?" The crowd shifts, a mix of anticipation and apprehension filling the air as they prepare to obey Jesus' command. The massive stone is displaced, exposing an abyss of darkness. The air vibrates with expectation, heavy with the unspoken. Jesus commands with divine authority, "Lazarus, come forth." An unnerving silence descends, broken only by the faintest stirring from the tomb's depths. A figure, bound in burial cloths, emerges haltingly into the light. At Lazarus' tomb, villagers and disciples gather, a hushed anticipation filling the air as they begin to unwrap him. The first layers of cloth fall away, the crowd's breath held in collective wonder. Faces etched with disbelief and reverence, they continue to unveil the figure before them. Jesus' voice cuts through the silence. "Unbind him and let him go." At Jesus' command, the last bindings are released, Lazarus now free. The crowd steps back, marveling at Lazarus, unbound and alive. Bethany village bursts with life, a symphony of celebration echoing through the sun-drenched square after the miracle. Children's laughter dances through the air as they weave through the crowd, their carefree joy amplifying the village's jubilant spirit. Banners of thanksgiving flutter high above, their vibrant colors painting the scene with hope and gratitude. Jesus stands serenely amidst the throng, a beacon of hope radiating peace and life into the hearts of the faithful.